Hi everyone, Jaclyn Bold here from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and I'm also the creator of the Drought Aid campaign. Specifically, we're trying to help the towns of Armidale, Guyra, Glen and all the surrounding towns in the New England area. I've had many conversations in the last few weeks with people living in the New England region. They feel a bit forgotten, they're doing it really tough. And not just the farmers who are trying to keep the last of their animals alive, but the townsfolk as well. In general, some of them are telling me it's no longer about keeping the animals alive, it's trying to keep themselves alive and the population living in those towns. For many of them, they don't have enough food to eat, so they're going a couple of days a week without food. They're travelling to the local creek if there's any water left in the creek, and that's how they're showering and bathing or cleaning themselves because there's no water to shower. The dams are dry, the tanks are dry. The local businesses in these towns are also struggling. When the farmers don't have enough money to come in and spend in town, the local businesses struggle. When the local businesses struggle, people start to lose their jobs, less people have money to spend in these towns, in these businesses, and their economy really takes a hit. So the Drought Aid campaign is threefold. One, we have a GoFundMe page, and that's raising money because money is critical. This money, I've since started it, I've spoken to the Rotary clubs, and the CWA up there, and they will actually be the beneficiaries. All the money that we raise will be giving to those two organisations in Armidale and Guyra, and they will actually be going out and spending the money in the local small businesses and getting the products to the local community. So it has a double effect. But that one is the number one best way that we can help their communities. Number two is we're actually taking donations of non-perishable foods, water and pet food. And the third and really important one is, please, if you're travelling on the road, if you're caravanning, camper vanning, whatever it might be, go and visit our rural towns. So guys, there's really three ways you can help. One, follow our Facebook page, like the post, share them, please raise awareness. Two, please, if you've got a spare $10, please donate to the GoFundMe, and every cent is going straight to the people in these communities. Thirdly, if you feel that you prefer to donate items, please, on the Facebook page, you'll find all the donation locations: water, non-perishable foods, dog food. There's a whole list. We make it nice and easy for you. And please, go and travel. Get through the rural towns, the drought-affected towns, not just in New England, but please, right across Australia, and support the people who are doing it tough. This is time for us Aussies to help the other Aussies in need.